How to turn off mentions and bio notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off mentions and bio notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and then click the story lines, and here you will find settings. Now just click notifications and following and followers. Now just here scroll down until you find mentions in bio. In bio here you will find it off. Just select off and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.